at the Thousand Trails and Colorado River, which is really in Columbus, Texas, but we're starting our day off one of our favorite ways, which is in this hot tub. Switch over. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Hot tubbing. Let's see, our view of the pool is right outside. They got a little pool, which is really nice and clean as well. And this is like an inside little house that the hot tub is in. But it's been a while since we had a hot tub, and we're enjoying it. So have a good day, everyone. All right, this is Mills Pond. It's just practically in front of our campsite. See, there's our camper right there, and the pond's right over here. Look at the windmill. Isn't it cool? It just started blowing too. And there's the pond. It's catch and release pond. Kurt hasn't tried it yet. Then there's this huge pecan tree or pecan tree. It's not the season for the nuts right at the moment, but it sure is big. All right, just a quick view of the bathhouse that they have here at the park. Whilst I'm looking at things. Anyway, it's very clean. It has 2 big showers, which are nice. Sinks and stuff. Very nice. Sunset time. Oh, so pretty. It's margarita and movie night for us tonight. We're watching Mel Gibson and Steve Eastwood, Clint Eastwood's son, in the movie called Dangerous tonight. Scott Eastwood, sorry. Look at that beautiful moon tonight. So dark. We're doing movie time outside. I can't even see Kurt. You nut. Hi. Did you like and subscribe? Thanks.